This is the famous Bluescope Steelworks of Wollongong. The steelworks historically have been the largest employers for the Illawarra region. These two interconnected structures make up the Sinter plant. The large warehouse of red roofs is the Sinter Strand. Raw iron ore arrives from ships in the form of a fine powdery dust. Inside this long building is a giant 200 meters long conveyor belt. This iron ore dust is mixed with limestone and coke. A massive gas fire lights it on fire. By the time it reaches the other end of the building, the dust has fused into a clumpy material called sinter. The towering, complex structure with chimneys next to the building is the Sinter plant's waste gas cleaning system.
The conveyor belt system creates massive amounts of toxic exhaust gas.
The giant pipes you see pull that dirty exhaust off the Sinter strand into blue precipitators, which use high-voltage electrical charges to pull the harmful dust out of the air. Once scrubbed clean, the filtered gas is exhausted out the chimney stacks.
These massively tall crane structures unload bulk carrier ships that dock at the steelworks. The cranes drop a giant metal claw into the holds of the ships and scoop up iron ore, coal, or limestone. These are dumped into the network of conveyor belts we can see. The large enclosed house on top of the cranes is called the winch house. These sensitive components of the crane must be protected from salt water and dust. The houses also include their own special ventilation systems to keep the dust out of the mechanical and electrical components.